Hi everyone, thanks for coming back to look at this video. So today's legal question is, do I still need an estate plan if I rent and have few assets? And the answer to that question is yes, most certainly. Most people think that an estate plan really only deals with what happens to you and your assets if you die. But an estate plan really also deals with what happens to you and your stuff in the event you become incapacitated. And that can happen to any of us, regardless of our age, right? Um, you could be 35 and driving down the 405 freeway here in LA County and be in a horrible car accident and be in a coma. And then you might need somebody to help take care of your assets, your pets, make medical decisions for you. So in that type of situation, at the very least, you'd want a advanced healthcare directive so that somebody can make medical decisions for you and talk to your doctors about what type of treatment or medication you need, or make any and all medical decisions for you. The power of attorney would be helpful so that someone that you've named can access your bank accounts and pay your bills, access your online accounts to make sure that your money's there, that direct deposits are happening, that your money is being managed for you while you're incapacitated, so that your life really isn't even more interrupted when you get back on your feet. So for somebody that doesn't have a lot of assets, I would also recommend you have a will. It doesn't have to be very complicated. You can have it very simple. Let's say you're a single person and you might say, I want to leave everything to my parents or charity or brothers and sisters. It's always good to have a will in place. If you don't, then the state of California's probate code will dictate who inherits your estate. So for example, let's say you're a single person, you pass away, and you have no will, then your next of kin would be your parents. And then if you don't have parents, then it would be your brothers and sisters. If you don't have brothers and sisters, then it would go to your grandparents and kind of down those branches of the family tree, which is fine for some people. But let's say you're estranged from your father. Well, you certainly don't want him to inherit your estate. Or maybe you have parents that are very wealthy and don't need your money, but you have a brother or a sister that is struggling through law school or medical school that would probably appreciate an inheritance under those circumstances. So it's always good to have a will. So in summation, I guess, if you're young and single or you don't have a lot of assets, regardless of age, I would do a will, I would have an advanced healthcare directive, and I would have a power of attorney in place in the event you need it down the line. Hope that was helpful, and hopefully I'll see you soon. Have a great day. Bye.